Greetings to all my little learners. Children, today we are here with one more very interesting topic of English grammar, that is was and were. We have three tenses. The first one is the past tense, second present tense, one is the future tense. Past tense denotes the time which has gone, like yesterday. Now, was and were are the to be forms of the verbs. We use them in past tense. So the words was and were are the past tense forms of the verb be. They may be used as main verbs or as helping verbs. Children, we use them in past tense. Was is used with singular noun and pronouns, and were with plural noun and pronouns. For example, as you can see in the picture, here you can see in the first picture you can see a man. He was tired. It denotes a singular noun. He is a singular pronoun. So that's why we have used here was. We were too late. We denotes plural pronoun. That's why we have used here were. But students, you have to keep this in your mind that was, were, we always use them in past tense. I, he, she, it are used with was, and you, we, and they are used with were. Here we have some past tense words which denotes that yes, it is something which is there in the past. In the past, we use these words. A long time ago, the day before, yesterday, recently, in 2011, yesterday, a little while ago, an hour ago, this morning, when I was born, 1 week ago, last week, last month, last year. So these are some of the words which indicates that the sentence is in past tense. Here we have few more examples. Let's have a look. I was in UKG last year. We are talking about last year. Therefore, we have used here was because was and were are the to be forms of the verbs that we used in past tense. He was late for school. She was hungry last night. Meeta was not at the home. Here we have few more examples of were. We were in kindergarten last year. You were class monitor last month. They were in Kolkata yesterday. The fruits were in the bowl. So students, this was all about the chapter. I hope you all are much clear with the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.